Hey, what's up, guys? It's Miss Lester right here. Welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about measured moves and how we can use them to analyze our chart. So let's quickly go to the blank screen. So now, as we all know, the market probably moves this way: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, or you can do this: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, then suddenly it will just take out this low, then reverse. So now looking at these two charts, there's something common, which is when the market take out this high, when you take out the highs, it always retraces. It always comes down. Either it comes down as a retracement, or it comes down as a reversal. Either way, it must come down. So this gives us the idea of measured move. So whether the market is moving in an uptrend or is going to suddenly drop forever, it always it always occur after the market has taken out a high. So this gives us the idea of measured move. So let me explain. How can we use this to analyze our charts? It's simple. When we are seeing the market moving this way, then currently the market is somewhere here. So now we simply measure the move of this leg and use it to project where it's going to get to. So this means that our work right now is to wait for it to get there. So this thing gives us two stuff. One, it gives us patience to wait for the market to get to a certain area. So we will no longer be having the fear of missing out. What if we just reverse here? Because we are aware of the fact that it getting here is of a higher probability for our trade. So that's just what we're going to be doing today. So let's go back to our chart. So let's start with let's start with AUD/USD. So we'll go to a blank chart. So let's go to higher time frame. So now we can see that this market has been trending downward, and we can probably see that there's a good area of resistance here. So now there are two things we can do. We can use our major move to check if this is the right area. So there's no different way to do it, because the idea is for us to wait for the market to get to a certain point of high probability. That's just the idea. So you can decide to take this one as one leg, then you take this one as the second leg, this one is leading into this area, or you can probably take this one as one leg, then you take this one as the second leg. So you can probably see that at the end of the day, it's leading you to a certain area to wait. So this is telling me that, okay, if I want to buy, the best time to buy this stuff is when AUD/USD has gotten to somewhere here. That's when I can either buy it as a retracement, I can buy it as a complete reversal. So that's what this is saying. So now, how do we enter our trade? So now we know that, okay, this stuff is probably going to go lower according to measured move. Man, this is going to be long. So we can simply capture the move. So now, from capturing the move, what do we do with this captured move? So now, this is telling us that, okay, the aim is to be positioned in a well-positioned place that we can either join the sell. So we can either join the sell here. Then when you get here, we start looking for buys. So this is what we can do with our with capturing the price. So we can either use this into position to join the sell and write it down. Or I think yeah. So that's it for EDUSD. So let's go to another pair and try to do the same thing. So let's look at USD card. So this is USD card. So the market is clearly at area of resistance. So now let's look at our major move to know if it's a right price to sell. So like I said, there's no different way. So you can probably take this leg here one, then put it here two to know that oh it's probably going to go higher. Or you can take this leg here one, and take this leg here two. So can probably go to higher tempo to see if there's anything at this at the left hand side. So looking at the left hand side, there's probably something here. So you can probably take this there too. So I'll probably be okay with the higher one. Like I said, this is just telling you that okay, yeah, you should be patient. So now we can probably see that there's already a reaction. There's already a reaction at this area, so we can probably label this liquidity. I mean, how much is yeah, we'll probably label the liquidity. So now what do we do? So we can either wait for this market to go to this high, then we'll look for sale, or like we said, we can capture the price, then try to position in the right way to join the move. So there's not really one perfect way to do this stuff. So looking at this price, the market can probably come down to this area, then shoot up. So you can probably come to this area, then shoot up. So that would be probably taking a buy here to join the forward momentum. So that's another way of using major moves. So let's look at something else. I'm trying to be very fast so that I will not make the video long. So if you want me to be slower, you can probably type it in the comment section. I can be slower. I'll make it 1 hour, but the idea is the same. So me showing you in a live chat is probably better. So let's go to NZD USD. Looking at NZD USD. So yeah, we can probably see that okay, yeah, the market has taken out this low, which is probably perfect for our major move because we want to use it when market has taken out a low. So we can measure the move that okay, from here to here is one leg, then this is another leg. So this is area of interest. So you can probably check for higher time frame if there's something there. And looking at higher time frame, there's probably something here. There's a block. So it makes sense. So let's go back to higher time frame. So now same thing, nothing crazy. So what do we do next? We try to capture the price is one. There's really no different way to. So we try to capture the price. So now we can either do the same thing we did in ADA, which is when the market to take out this low. Yeah, when it rebalances, we now join the downward movement. Yeah, so I'll wait for it to get here, then focus on our buys. So that's one way of using major move. Or you can probably look for a smaller time frame major move inside the bigger time frame major move, such as this is one, then you measure the move probably here, then from here you can start looking for your buys. So that's how you use major moves. So it helps you to be really, 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 really patient. So let's look at one more. If I'm looking at it. So looking at GU, okay, so I'll probably use this one, two, it's at the area. That's one way of using it, or you can probably use this, and then probably so it's simply. So the main point of this one is that this guy here have taken out this low. So it has taken out this low. So it's time for it to um retrace or reverse either way there's a V. So we'll not go to higher time frame to look at if there's anything here. So you can probably see that there is actually perfect order block here. So now what do we do with this? So this one we're probably looking for more of a buy than say. So how do we enter the trade? We try to capture we try to capture the price. Try to capture the price. So seeing this in a very good area of interest, so I'll probably go and break down how I want to enter the trade. So we want to capture the price, then we probably want this guy to probably come down. Then I'm coming down. If we can give a very nice double bottom here, then I'll probably take a buy at this area. Because this is probably a good trade. Take a buy at this area. Take a buy at this area. Then I'll still be open to taking a sell from this other block here because the market always trend until it doesn't. So you cannot assume that that's going to be the breaker. So I'm still looking at it for a short at this area. So this is one way of using major move on GBP So guys, I'll stop here. I can probably make this video very long. So if you want more on this, use the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys on Tuesday. We will do analysis for the week.